What's up guys, it's Eric with Verus Engineering here, and we are out at Putnam today doing some testing on our 2020 Toyota Supra. Today we're doing some testing on our dive planes as well as the rear diffuser and the rear diff cooling plate that we just basically came out with. The unit we have basically on the car, so we're running the car on the track with and without the rear diff cooler, and we have some temp sensors on the rear diff to basically figure out what's going on with the rear diff temps and seeing what happens. Having a good day out here. It is gorgeous, about 65, 70, and a bunch of cars out here.